Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create your own custom reticle in Fortnite. This is only for PC or Mac players, so if you're playing on a PS4 or an Xbox, then just go ahead and check out some of my other videos. Before we start, I just want to say check out my video on how to increase FPS in Fortnite, so just click on the card in the top right corner. And now we can start. So for this video you'll only need the 3 links that are in the description. I already have them open, and basically the first is the black box, the second one is the pixel art editor, and the third one is the custom desktop logo. And first of all, what you want to do is open the link which says black box, and even though it seems as a black picture, if you open the image in a new tab, which you need to do, so click on open image in a new tab, you can see that it has a black box at the center, which is very important to us. Now what you want to do is right click on the image, click on save image as, and just save it on your desktop. Click on save. As you can see, I already have it on my desktop, so I'm not gonna do that again. I'm gonna click on cancel. But you want to download the image. Once you download the image, what you want to do is click on the second link, which is the pixel art editor, and this should open. Now what you want to do is basically just click on open image from computer and open the image that you downloaded. Okay, and there it is. Now what you want to do is, the first thing is to go to layer, so click on layer and click on new layer. The second step is to zoom a little bit on the picture, so just so you can see the box clearer. And once you zoom in, what you want to do is click on the marquee tool, so it's this one. Click on the elliptical marquee, and now set the constraint to fixed size. Okay. Now once you do that, what you want to do is set the width and height to 45 by 45. So set them both to 45. And once you do that, what you want to do is just click on in the box, somewhere in the box, and as you can see, the circle appeared. Even though it is not in the box, you can move it to be in the box by clicking and holding somewhere in the circle and align it with the box. And there it is. As you can see, the circle is aligned inside the box. And now what you want to do is just select the color that you want your reticle to be. So to do that, you can click on set main color, and now I'm gonna choose green. You can choose whatever color you want. I'm gonna click on green. Okay, and there it is. As you can see, it's green, and I'm gonna click on OK right now. And once you see that the color that you wanted is selected, what you want to do is click on the paint bucket tool. So here it is, click on it and click inside the circle. Okay, so you want the circle to be green. This will be your reticle. Okay, and now once you do that, what you want to do is right click on the layer that is selected. So it will probably be the layer 1. If it's not the layer 1, then just click on layer 1. And basically what you want to do now is right click on it. So right click on layer 1, click on layer styles, and click on outer glow. Now what you want to do is basically just put the hardness to the max, so basically that's 10, and set the size around 16. Now just click on OK, and basically that's it. You can also change the color, so you can go to layer styles again, click on outer glow, and as you can see, there's also a color. I'm gonna choose the black. I'm gonna choose black because I think it would fit more. I think it would go better with the green color for my reticle. And once you choose your color that you want, you can just click on OK. As you can see, my outer glow is now black. I'm gonna click on OK again, and there it is. Now once you do that, what you want to do is deselect the layer 0. You can do that by clicking on the box, and as you can see, the black box is now gone. And now just save your reticle. You can do that by clicking on the file, save, make sure that it is saved as a PNG, and click on OK. You can save it on the desktop. I'm gonna name it reticle. You can name it whatever you want and save it wherever you want. Click on save, and basically that's it. You've now created your own reticle. Now what you want to do is download the custom desktop logo, and you can do that by clicking on the link in the description. Click on download custom desktop logo 2.2, and it will download as a WinRAR file. You can download and install WinRAR or 7-zip to open it. They're both free and easy to install. And once the custom desktop logo is downloaded, what you want to do is click on it and extract it to your desktop, or basically wherever you want. It doesn't really matter. Now once it's done extracting, what you want to do is go to the desktop. So as you can see, here's the custom desktop logo folder, and here's my reticle. Now what you want to do is open the custom desktop logo folder and double click on the custom desktop logo application. Okay, and now basically the Coca-Cola logo should show up on your screen, and that's fine. You can now just close the folder, and the custom desktop logo application is now running in the background. So here it is. Now to open it, if it's not showing up here, you can just click on the arrow, and as you can see, there it is, the custom desktop logo app. So right click on it and click on settings. Okay, and now once you do that, what you want to do is change the image folder. So as you can see, there are a couple of instructions. It says to use only PNG images, and that is why I said to download and save the image that you created as a PNG image. And others, place your image into a new folder, place your new folder into the custom Lego desktop logo directory under the system images folder. Click the change image folder button to browse to the directory of your images. So basically what you want to do is right click on your desktop and create a new folder. You can do that by clicking on new and click on folder. Okay, now move the image that you created, so move your reticle to the new folder. Okay, open the custom desktop logo folder, and now what you want to do is, as you can see, it says to move the folder to system images. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop the folder with my reticle into the system images folder on the custom desktop logo. Okay, now once you do that, you can close the folder, open the settings, click on change image folder, and now just select the image that you wanted to use. So it's basically the new folder. Click on new folder and OK. And as you can see, here's the reticle. Now what you want to do to get it to the center of the screen is go to location, have the Z level to topmost, have the display location to center, and set the location offset to 0. So set them both to 0. Okay, now once you do that, what you want to do is go to size and basically just make the reticle a little bit smaller. If you have a full HD monitor, as do I, or a 4K monitor, etc., then what you want to do is just set it to 0.2 or 0.3, whichever works the best for you. And there it is. Okay, so there, that's 0.19. I'm gonna put it at 0.2. Okay, and basically this should work for every monitor out there. Now once you do that, what you want to do is go to animation and graphics and set the opacity to whatever you want. So basically, if you want to see through the reticle on Fortnite, then you can lower the opacity a little bit, but I would advise you to put it at 255. And basically that's it. As you can see, the reticle is at the center of my screen. And now what you want to do is just open Fortnite and try it out. And now once you have Fortnite open, what you want to do is just go to the settings and make sure that you have Fortnite opened at windowed or windowed full screen. Okay, so I'm gonna set it at windowed full screen. And once I do that, I'm gonna click on apply, click on back, and basically there it is. There's the reticle. And I'm gonna start a playground game just to see how does it look in game. Okay, and as you can see, here's the reticle in game. I'm gonna take a weapon, any weapon that I can find. There's a suppressed machine gun, and I'm gonna try that. Okay, so there's the green reticle, and I think that green is a good color. You can change it, you can make it black or red or whatever color you want, and you already know how to do that. So basically that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and bye.